Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to fix unable to create any folder in your Windows 10. This is very annoying issue you might be facing in your Windows 10. I'm gonna fix this issue with some easier steps, so you need to follow these steps. Before beginning to this video, consider subscribing my channel for more tech videos. First, you need to click on Windows search bar. Click on it. Then you need to press two keys together, Windows and R. Then you will see this run window. Well, if you're having issue and you can't type anything in Windows search bar, I have made video on it and fixed that issue also. Check it out in my channel if you're facing that issue. Let's come to the point. Now here you need to type regedit. Click OK. You will see this registry editor window. After that, you have to extend this key classes root. You will see huge list. Here we have to go to the directory. So you have to type on your keyboard di. So you will see directory, expand it. Click on background, expand it. Then you have to click on shellx, expand it. Then you need to select context menu handlers. Right click on it and click on new. Then click on key. Then you can name it as new key. Select it. Here you will see the default option. You need to right click on it and click on modify, and here you have to paste this code. You can simply copy and paste this code here in a value data. I have given this code in my video description. After that, you have to click on OK, then close this window. After that, you have to restart your PC. Now you can see I have an option to create folder on my PC. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.